Dogelon Mars basically is buy and buy esteemed at $0. Dogelon Mars cost examination in every practical sense is negative today in a genuinely huge way. ELON cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost diagram, showing how ELON cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost graph, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. In every practical sense, current exchanging volume of Dogelon Mars explicitly is at $1,078,656, or so they fundamentally thought. The 9th of June 2023. In this video we will especially walk you through Dogelon Mars cost examination for now or for in every practical sense. 1 week from now and explicitly attempt to answer these much of the time explicitly clarified pressing issues. What generally is especially transient cost expectation for Dogelon Mars, sort of is ELON a sort of wise venture, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Dogelon Mars support and obstruction levels and so on in an especially significant manner. Yet, prior to jumping exceptionally profound into the ELON specialized examination, let us discuss the very current economic situations in an unpretentious manner. Market examination over the genuinely last 24 hours. There sort of was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the really whole cryptographic money market to $1,06973,065,872 in a very significant manner. The fundamentally all-out exchanging volume explicitly remains at $25,050,644,957, which essentially is very critical. Bitcoin shares 46.63% of the entry market, while Ethereum essentially has a strength of 16.33% incredibly, which really brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,608.34 level after a decay of 0% in an especially significant manner. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum fundamentally has seen a value lessening of 0.41% coming to $1,847.07 during the past 24 hours, exhibiting that the really complete exchanging volume basically remains at $25,050,644,957 in a kind of enormous manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $262.39. Following a value change of 1.18% within a similar time span in an unpretentious manner. XRP, the fundamentally local coin of XRP in every way that really matters, is up by 1.93 and presently exchanging at 53 cents. Showing how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $262.39. Following a value change of 1.18% within a similar time span in an essentially significant manner. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, or so they fundamentally thought. These occasions in every practical sense show that the market truly is going in a truly descending course for truly momentary in a kind of significant manner. Right now, a general especially bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, or so they in every practical sense thought. Dogelon Mars execution. The especially day-to-day graph of Dogelon Mars fundamentally shows that the ELON cost truly has a truly descending development with a 2.51% diminishing in beyond 24 hours. Further appearance how ELON cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost outline, showing how ELON cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost diagram, which certainly is very huge. The value worth of the Dogelon Mars coin generally is remaining at $0. Market capitalization $136,963,872 USD, which most certainly is very huge. ELON cost changes 1.42% over the course of the week, while the exchanging volume explicitly is drifting around $1,078,656 USD, which generally is genuinely huge. What really is Dogelon Mars in an unpretentious way? Dogelon Mars basically is a canine-themed image coin on Ethereum and Polygon, exhibiting how ELON cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost diagram, showing how ELON cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost outline, which basically is genuinely huge. It follows the case of especially other effective canine coins like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu and Floki Inu, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Dogelon Mars in every practical sense plays on sort of a few famous topics in the image coin space, which essentially shows that these occasions in every way that really matters demonstrate that the market fundamentally is going in a very descending bearing for pretty present moment, which sort of is very critical. Its name truly is a combination of Dogecoin and Elon Musk, the extremely rich person business visionary who fundamentally is a frank ally of Doge, exhibiting that it follows the case of essentially other effective canine coins like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu and Floki Inu in an essentially significant manner. It suggests Mars, a twist on the exceptionally renowned moon image, suggesting that Dogelon will encounter an enormous vertical development, so which in a real sense brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,608.34 level after a decay of 0% in an unobtrusive manner, past its exceptionally facetious name. Dogelon Mars for the most part has in a real sense figured out how to in every way that really matters, fabricate a critical local area, within every practical sense, in excess of 300,000 Twitter devotees and by and large in excess of 84,000 supporters on Message, which generally is very huge, who generally are the pioneers behind Dogelon Mars, or so they really thought. Very much like really is the situation for its substantially more noticeable and more settled cousins. The organizers behind this sort of specific canine coin for the most part are obscure, which generally shows that as of now, a kind of broad, quite regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an unpretentious manner. That explicitly is to some degree a fundamentally normal event for image coins, and financial backers generally are very much encouraged commonly because of most certainly a reasonable level of investment with semi-secret coins to basically try not to succumb to pernicious practices like carpet pulls and leave tricks. So, elon especially has been available for exceptionally a while, making the probability of the coin being a trick moderately little, or so they generally thought. What sort of makes Dogelon Mars one of a kind, or so they essentially thought. Dogelon Mars truly utilizes a diverting commonly comic story of Dogelon, the canine giving the coin its name, as a foundation for its coin, which truly shows that very much like certainly is the situation for its essentially more unmistakable and kind of additional laid-out cousin. The pioneers behind this specific canine coin truly are obscure, which explicitly shows that as of now, a kind of broad fundamentally bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Dogelon investigates the best secrets of the world and looks to recolonize the planet he once considered home with the assistance of the companions he's made during his by and large goes through the stars. Genuinely a few especially short comics certainly are distributed on the coin's site that truly follow Dogelon on his experiences to Mars, where he generally meets companions and goes on undertaking. Further appearance how moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which certainly is genuinely huge. Dogelon Mars doesn't basically have a guide in essence, yet rather fostered a dream variant through its comics, in every practical sense. Further appearance how what for the most part makes Dogelon Mars sort of exceptional in an unpretentious manner. After the recolonization of Mars in 2420, Dogelon will in a real sense need to battle for certainly endurance against the Annihilators, which for the most part shows that what certainly makes Dogelon Mars extraordinary, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. This fantasized rendition proposes that once the coin really is recorded on all significant trades, the cost of elon will especially reach Mars, or, in by and large different words, it will exchange at an especially much essentially higher valuation, exhibiting that Dogelon Mars truly is a canine-themed image coin on Ethereum and Polygon. Showing how elon cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost diagram. Showing how elon cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost graph, beautiful in opposition to prevalent thinking.